Today, I'm going to share a spectacular Christmas side dish with you, a delicious Arabic-style rice, full of flavor, texture, and that special touch that simply can't be missing from the holiday table. Here, I have a wonderful mix of nuts, Brazil nuts, peanuts, almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, and pecans. I'm going to chop them roughly, not too finely, so that in every bite you can really feel their texture and enjoy all their flavor. We set them aside. Next, we finely dice 1 onion, brunoise, and 2 garlic cloves so they blend perfectly and fill this special rice with aroma. Over here, I have dried cranberries and raisins. We soak them in hot water for a few minutes to rehydrate them, then rinse, drain, and set aside. Now let's move on to the bacon. We cut it into small cubes or strips and take it to a pan to brown it very well, allowing it to release all its flavor. Look at that beautiful color the bacon gets when it's perfectly golden. We remove it and set it aside. In the same pan, we add a knob of butter and then add angel hair pasta, also known as thin soup noodles. We lightly fry the pasta, stirring constantly until it turns a beautiful golden color, being very careful not to burn it. Now we add 1½ cups of rice, previously washed and drained, and stir it to coat it in the fat. This step is very important because coating the rice helps seal the grain, resulting in fluffier rice with a better texture and much more flavor in the end. We make a small space in the center of the rice like a little crater and add the onion, garlic, and a bit more butter. Let it saute briefly. This step is usually done earlier, but here we solve it without any problem. We mix everything together and allow the rice to continue taking on that lightly golden, appetizing color. Now it's time to add the liquid. We use 3 cups in total. Since we used 1½ cups of rice, we add double the amount of liquid. In this recipe, I use 2 cups of vegetable broth and 1 cup of Coca-Cola, which is very common in this style of rice. If you prefer, you can use only broth without any problem. We add salt to taste, give it a gentle stir, and let it come to a boil. And although we call this Arabic rice, it's not actually a traditional dish as such. However, it does have influences from Middle Eastern cuisine, especially in the technique of preparing rice with noodles. Over time, this preparation was adapted in Peru and became a very popular Christmas side dish. Traditionally, it was given a sweet touch with panela syrup, and over the years, many families began using dark soda, which gives it that characteristic color and flavor associated with the holidays. After a few minutes, we add the bacon, raisins, cranberries, nuts, and the toasted angel hair pasta. We mix everything very well so all the ingredients are perfectly combined. We cover the pot and let it cook for about 15 more minutes, or until the rice is fully cooked, tender, and full of flavor. We uncover it and just look at this beauty. The rice turns out fluffy, light, and with an incredible texture. We gently fluff it with a fork, turn off the heat, and let it rest for a few minutes. This rice is a perfect Christmas side dish, ideal to serve with turkey, chicken, pork, or any protein you're preparing for your special dinner. Wow, it's very generous and smells absolutely amazing. Now we serve it, and look how beautiful it is. Truly, you won't regret making this at home. I hope you prepare it at home and enjoy it with your family. May these holidays be filled with love, flavor, and unforgettable moments. Let's taste it. What a delight! The contrast of the rice with the nuts, pasta, bacon, and that subtle, sweet touch is simply irresistible. Enjoy your meal. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone.